folks. So right here we have a glass of cold water and we also have a glass of red hot water. Last year we talked about thermal energy and we said that items and substances that are hot, they have higher thermal energy, and the molecules or atoms are farther apart and they move very quickly. On the other hand, items or substances that are cold have less thermal or heat energy. The molecules and atoms are closer together and they do not move as fast. So items that are cold, they're less dense because more dense because the items are closer together. And then items that are hot, or substances that are hot, they are less dense because the molecules move further apart. So when you mix these, what do you think is going to happen? So if I put cold on the bottom and then hot on top, what do you think will happen? Predict. So I'm putting the cold water into the jar, then pouring hot on the side. You do see the hot water going down, but then what happens? It rises because, as we talked about in convection, heat rises and cold sinks. And that occurs because more dense substances, the atoms are closer together and they sink. Less dense substances, their atoms are further apart and they are buoyant or they float. So right here you see two layers, the cold water and the hot water. More dense, less dense.